You've probably seen or heard people say they've been making money using AI. You've searched and searched, wondering how exactly do they do it? Well, look no further because I'll be sharing with you exactly how to do it in this video. First of all, AI itself isn't going to make you money. It's going to make your life easier to help you make money. Once you understand this, it'll be easier to move forward and know how exactly to exploit the rise of AI. Okay, let's establish 3 key factors before we begin. First of all, AI cannot replace human creativity. But what it can do is help you get out of a creative rut. Think about it. Have you ever sat at your desk for hours trying to come up with ideas, but you just can't? Maybe you're distracted or you're a procrastinator. I don't know. But AI can generate hundreds of ideas within seconds. That's what we want to exploit. Another factor we need to consider is AI plagiarism. Is AI work considered plagiarism? The answer to this is indefinitely yes, but using AI to give ideas is not. So, what does that mean? It means you should be smart about how you use it. Use it to be original, not some copy and paste piece of work. You need to focus on being unique rather than being like everyone else, as this will put you ahead of your competition. And finally, you don't need a fancy degree to use AI. New tools make it easy for anyone to build and profit from AI solutions. This means more people can succeed in the AI world, no matter their background. This means there is a large opportunity for you to make money. All right, let's go through the ways to make money using AI. The first one is self-publishing. This is when an author publishes their own work without a publisher. This allows authors to retain creative control, publishing costs, as well as royalties. Now, usually authors will pay for the costs of editing, design, and marketing, but instead we're going to use the power of AI to help us with this. There's so many different forms of self-publishing, from ebooks to audiobooks, as well as hardcovers, but we'll focus on ebooks as they are accessible on most devices. First, you need to pick a niche. This is what your ebook will be about. It could be something you're passionate about or something you're interested in. When choosing a topic, be mindful of your audience. Ask yourself whether or not your ebook will make their jobs or lives easier, or will help them move up in their careers. Now it's time to brainstorm with AI. Go over to your AI chatbot and brainstorm ideas with it. Enter prompts based on your readers' current fields of expertise, their work responsibilities, and any problems they may face. Once this is done, you can now write your ebook. The process of writing an ebook is pretty simple. First, you create an outline for your ebook. This can include subtitles, chapters, as well as your introduction. You then write up your rough draft. This can be done with several AI assistances, such as Grammarly, which uses generative AI to produce drafts, rewrites, replies, and more. You're now going to edit your draft into the final product using Pro Writing Aid. It will help refine the text, ensuring it's free of grammatical errors and is coherent. You've now got your text. It's time for sources and images. There are so many image creation tools you can use, one of the best being DALL-E. These tools can create unique images based on textual descriptions, which you can include in your ebook. You've got text and images in your ebook, you now need a cover. If you want inspiration for your cover, head over to Pinterest. They've got great examples. If you want, you can use an ebook cover generator like Creative Fabrica, but the best way to make a cover is to use Canva. It has a lot of designing options to choose from, as well as a lot of free templates. Your ebook is now good to go and ready to publish. There are several places to publish your ebook, including Kiteboo, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Apple Books, Barnes, Noble Press, and of course, Google Play. But I suggest you go with Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, as it is a popular and widely used platform, offering a large market reach and various options for publishing and selling your ebook. Once you publish your book, don't forget to promote it. Share it on social media, promote it on your blog or website, and send it to your email list. Self-publishing is continuing to grow and AI is making it a lot easier. It's stated that people who actively publish ebooks earn an estimated average of $1,800 per month in royalties. So give it a try yourself. With the integration of AI and fast-building world of technology, almost everyone wants a website. From established businesses to entrepreneurs who are looking to expand their brand, websites are becoming a necessity to making money online. So what does that mean for someone like you? It means there's a gap in the market, an opportunity to exploit. And that's exactly what we're going to do. You can offer to build websites for potential customers. Now, I know what you're thinking. How exactly are you supposed to build a website without any knowledge? Now, of course, you can learn to build websites, but why do that when AI can make it 10 times easier for you? You will actually be surprised by how many web designers actually use AI. Reports show that more than 50% of web designers use AI in their development process. So, how can you get started with building a website with AI? You firstly need to gather essential information. If you want your website to be unique, then make sure your inputs and prompts are as informative as possible. To make your website stand out from the rest, know these basic details: the purpose of your site, your intended audience, the products or services that you plan on selling, what sets you apart in the marketplace, and finally, an idea of your brand's personality and values. Once you've gathered this information, you can have an idea of your website and move on to the next step, which is choosing an AI website builder. There's so many different AI website builders such as Wix.com, Codadesign.ai, as well as Framer. These are all great tools you can use to mock up and finally build your website. During this phase, ask yourself if your website will have any features like online credit card payment. Look at customization options and how much flexibility you have over the branding of your web pages. Also, be aware of your budget. These tips will help you when choosing which AI website builder to go with. Once you've selected your AI website builder, enter the prompts that describe your website best. Remember to be descriptive and as specific as possible in order to be unique. Now, it's time to brand your website. Why exactly? Well, because the most attention-grabbing websites include imagery and elements that not only look good, but also reflect your brand well. The three main ways to create a unique brand is through a business name, logo, and color scheme. These platforms are extremely user-friendly, making web design accessible to people without technical backgrounds. You can now offer your services as a web developer or freelancer by building and selling websites, or by creating and monetizing your own website through various methods like advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. If you want to monetize a website, you can display ads using Google AdSense, or you can sell ad space directly to advertisers who want to reach your audience. Regardless of which one you choose, you'll earn revenue based on impressions or clicks. With the growing industry of AI, website builders are making up to $150 per hour, while some up to $5,000 per website. Finally, let's take a look at AI content creation. If you're a creative person or show an interest in social media, then this may be the business model for you. To use AI effectively in content creation, start by setting clear goals for what you want to achieve with AI. For example, decide if you're using AI for brainstorming, writing, editing, or creating multimedia content. This helps in choosing the right tools for the job. Tons of businesses need help with their content marketing these days and are willing to work with contract or freelance writers. So there's plenty of opportunities for you to make money. Here's a list of content you can target: emails, local ads and flyers, blog posts, newsletters, web pages, social media posts, digital guides. Not only is content creation one of the higher-paying sources of income, but it also has some of the best advantages. Firstly, you have a flexible schedule. Content creation allows you to work on your own time, so if you have a lot of free time on your hand, you could possibly earn a lot more. It has a low startup cost. You'll probably just need a phone or laptop and an internet connection. Another factor to consider is the fact that once you've published your content, it could potentially earn you money long after the work is done, making it passive income. So, what are the best AI tools to use to start AI content creation? If you want to create some blog posts, social media posts, and ad copy, use Copy.ai or Jasper AI. To write SEO content, use Surfer SEO. Now, to create video content and AI avatars, use InVideo or Synthesia. It's very important to remember to use AI to assist in content creation, but don't use it primarily to manipulate search results. If you want to make it big, create original, high-quality content that meets the qualities of expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Content creation is easily one of the highest-paying sources of income. From $10,000 a month to even $100,000 a month, the more time and effort you put into your work, the higher your chance of earning increases. Just remember to stay consistent. All right, so there you have it. 3 lucrative ways to make money using AI. If you learned something from this video or you just want to show support to the channel, please subscribe and leave a like. Also, let me know what business model you want to see next on the channel. Remember, AI is here to stay. Whether you accept it or not, AI is here and it isn't going anywhere in a while. So, are you going to sit back? Or are you going to take the opportunity in front of you?